Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up left stick editing on your Xbox controller. This advanced technique allows for incredibly fast and fluid edits, giving you a significant advantage in competitive play. We will walk through each essential step, from customizing your controller bindings to fine-tuning crucial settings like confirm edit on release and controller dead zone. Get ready to elevate your gameplay to a whole new level. First, let's customize your controller bindings. Open your game settings and find the controller options. It is crucial to change your binding preset to custom to enable personal adjustments. Then, locate the edit action and assign it to your left stick, which is typically L3. You may need to rebind sprint or toggle weapon to another button, like a D-pad direction, to avoid conflicts and ensure smooth editing. Next, we will optimize key edit settings for maximum performance. Turn on Confirm Edit on release to automatically confirm your edits the moment you release the Edit button, saving you a crucial button press. Set Auto Confirm Edits to both to apply this benefit to both edits and resets. Also, reduce your edit hold time to its lowest value for instant response and disable Controller Auto Run to prevent unintended movement. Finally, let's fine-tune your controller dead zone and emphasize practice. Set your left and right stick dead zones between 5 and 10%. Lower values offer more responsiveness, but risk stick drift. Find the lowest setting without experiencing unwanted movement. Consistent practice in creative mode is essential to develop muscle memory and speed. Experiment with your overall sensitivity to discover what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.